forever for this day.
Chick-fil-A grilled nuggets. After watching many people eat them on social media, I was very excited.
We don't have a Chick-fil-A anywhere nearby.
And the lady was not able to describe to me what Chick-fil-A sauce tastes like. So for those of you that...
She said it doesn't taste like anything. Well, it does.
So describe below if you know what it tastes like. Oh, and there's more sauces in here. So we got honey roasted barbecue, Chick-fil-A sauce, honey mustard, and barbecue. And this is, we each got a 12-piece. And this cookie is for me. No, you can't have a piece, Jason.
I don't want a piece.
Steaming.
It better be good.
Salty little sucker.
They are salty.
I like it though. It's got flavor. Kind of Chick-fil-A sauce. It's probably good we don't have this around. Very good. This one.
Which one's that? The roasted barbecue? Honey roasted barbecue.
That is good. I like that a lot. That's one nugget. They just... It's good.
Is that all the sauces?
No. Honey mustard. My favorite's definitely the Chick-fil-A sauce. And the honey roasted barbecue. I don't really care for the barbecue sauce with the honey mustard.
See, I like the barbecue sauce the most.
I need a napkin though.
When you're sitting all day, tell them what we just did.
We just walked the Atlanta airport and
Every terminal.
We walked from A to F. Don't get so close to my face. It's not flattering.
And we actually walked it. We didn't take this speedy thing, but right now we're trying to hurry up and get lunch before our flight.
Step up. Yes.
So that's why
Now
we're taking
gonna
that
go
part.
Check out Longhorn Steakhouse. So we had 4 hours in the airport. I think we're down to less than 2 hours now. So
We have about an hour and a half.
figure might as well eat again. Get some micronutrients.
We
in.
walked about 4+ miles, 4 miles,
Yeah, I think so.
just in the airport.
Yeah.
So instead of sitting in our butts, we got to
I'm
exercise.
sick of like sitting in vehicles, buses, and planes.
All right, I'm cutting you off.